Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics so you don't lose anything. Check iOS and available storage, and make a current backup to iCloud or your computer. Once done, verify settings photos that iCloud Photos is enabled and the correct Apple ID is signed in. Make sure Wi-Fi is active or allow cellular for photos if needed. If storage is low, delete large unused files or offload apps to free space before proceeding to the next troubleshooting steps. Next, perform targeted fixes that resolve most loading errors. Force quit the Photos app and restart your iPhone to clear temporary glitches. Then toggle iCloud Photos off, wait about 1 to 5 minutes, and toggle it back on so the sync process restarts. Watch for status messages like uploading or downloading. Also confirm Photos has permission for cellular and background app refresh in settings so uploads can continue. If you see very large pending items, prioritize Wi-Fi. To finish, update your iPhone to the latest iOS and retry. Many bugs are fixed by updates. If Photos still won't load, connect to a Mac or PC and import directly with Finder, Photos, or Image Capture to preserve files. As a last set of steps, reset network settings to clear stalled connections and sign out /and of iCloud if sync remains stuck. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, contact Apple support with your backup ready so they can escalate without risking data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.